Then would be a problem.
Hi guys, I'm reporting to you live from Brownstown, where they said that no grand market will be held. But I'm going to show you exactly what happens when they say such things. It like kind of bad. Outside not gonna even know. Outside is not going to be better. Oh, that's better. Outside is not going to be any better. Feel nice. Stop. Outside is not going to be any better. So we just go show you how grand market look. How Jamaica lit when Christmas day about.
What's up, brother? I've carried on cane again.
You know see them? My God, this Christmas is such a blessing. Yeah. We have gotten so many things, and I have to give so much thanks. We have kid in our car. We need to realize the kid in our car.
Turn on the alarm, because we don't want to go.
Of course, I got no.
And then they make up my eyes and kill my battery. Maybe stay a family side.
Yeah, because they're sensitive. Alright, guys, I will just walk around. Guys, we suck at Vlogmas. I don't think Vlogmas is something that I don't think we're gonna be able to do. We tried, it never worked. It never worked. So we're just going to give you guys content when other than a daily daily uploads and stuff, because it's not easy. Vlogmas is definitely difficult. Tomorrow is Christmas. Yeah, so Vlogmas, I don't think we're going to try that again. We tried, it never worked out. So we just have to know where our strengths lie. You get me? I say. So that is what. So that Brownstone Grand Market, the place nice as usual. It's not somewhere that I always come for Grand Market. When I was young, I always a fussy up myself to come to Grand Market, right? And I came to Grand Market twice before. And me always say Brownstone Grand Market are for people who don't live at Brownstone, who don't know Brownstone, and just want to go walk up and down at Brownstone, because that is the time when friends, people you know seen a long time, you meet up and whatever. But you see my friend them all the time at Brownstone, so for people who don't know Brownstone, and I guess then you get good deals at that time. I don't even know, because I ain't here to shop. Yeah, I go buy something to eat. We are going to get something to eat, all that good stuff. Sorry about the lighting. Let's go!
me have video online.
Unless we're gonna use the flashlight, you think that would work?
But when you have video, you can't. You
See
like,
there, no, they put no settings. Ah! I'm not trouble Sadine. Leave her alone. Guys, if you come to Brownstone any at all, if you pass through Brownstone any at all, ensure that you come here. Foundation Ice Cream Village. It is my friend's business. She just opened it. She need the support. Ensure that you guys come on down. It is down by Jamaica National Bank on your right. You can't miss it. Once you come to your lane, you will see they sell burgers, soup, chicken and fries, all that you want. They have it right here. So ensure that you come on down and support our business. You understand? You have to support your friends them all the time. Alright guys, Foundation Ice Cream Village! I'm so proud of her. I'm so proud of her. So guys, we are going to be heading to Ocho grandmarket. Yes, that's why we are going. That's where we're heading. We're in Discovery Bay. Park at gas station a little bit. Hello, I'm sorry for the ugly light. Like, sorry, I'm so sorry about this lighting. Let me go outside. Oh, pretty. Yeah, seriously better. So as me did say, with our DB. How is it? Walk around and look in car. Yeah, so we're going to see what Ocho is saying. It's Grand Market. Let me tell you something about Grand Market. Brownstone Grand Market is one of the biggest Grand Market there is in Jamaica. This year not go on. This year not go on. There is not a lot of people there for one. It's scanty. The crowd that is there is very scanty. Enough people at the Grand Market like first time. First time Grand Market usually bigger than that. You can find space to walk. Much less space to drive, and we actually find space to drive. You understand? So that's how we know it's a Grand Market kind of run down around. So I'm thinking it is because there were quite a few shootings up there. They're very traumatic for people who this side not really experience all of this violence. Man a shut up, man a kill, man all kind of things. So it's kind of strange. They were saying that no Grand Market would be held, but then no. Something actually go on. So I think that is why a lot of persons weren't there. That is my thought, because the Grand Market is always big. So, yeah man, it was a lovely. We went there, we spent some time at my friend's place. That previous clip that I showed you guys, that is my friend's place. If you happen to be in Brownstone, ensure that you go and support her. I love to support my friends who have ventured into entrepreneurial businesses. I love to do things like that. So guys, ensure you go and support her. Burger, finger food, the normal rice and peas and ting. Yeah, you can go there and get that too. Yeah man, just visit her. She will set you up nice. Alright, you can even tell her that you saw this video or whatever, and you come check her out. Alright, yeah, so we're going to pound away, and we see you in the next clip. This is my first This is my first time coming to Ochi and in a grand market. Never know so much people live out here from grand market. Island village full. The streets them full. Yeah. Alright, down a lively and thing. Alright. You can see fashionistas.
It makes sense here, rebuilt and then I would have peppers. Relax, man. Relax.
You say make you rub that carry. You see? I rubbing if you rub it. I rubbing if you rub it. Make you rub it. Make you rub it tonight. That's how I want to see you rub it.
Watch. You can't stay one place, brother. So from left to right, nine place.
I understand how people so fool. Okay, so we have reached Ochi and we're heading into our favorite store down here on Champions Plaza. The store. What's one? Tiny Man store. Alright, so we're going to get hair dye for Kim. This MK's fashion and gift blood in a box.
Yeah, we're coming in.
Excuse us, sorry.
Your sister there in here?
Hair care section. I think this is no, I like them over this one. Okay, one color here. Turn that way. So, what color do you want?
I want brown.
Blonde, brownie. We love to come into this store, MK Fashion and Gift. It is on Champions Plaza. My favorite store. So we're gonna get something for Kim's hair and my ear one. But you know, I'm touching ear, I'm doing it. You want to come up properly. Are you hearing me? Look, man. Come here, if you choose. Come here, if you choose.
What color then you know?
Come here, where are you? I look right at it.
Hey, they put me here and change color.
I like this. It's cute. Really. This is my favorite aisle. One of my favorite aisles. Okay, we are getting okay. Alright. Oh, Christmas tree. Christmas. Oh gosh, Kim, we couldn't even tell like a 8,000 away. Oh god, of course. 28,000. 35. One of the 28. Oh, that's 8,000. I'm not going to do well again. funny, you're nice.
Why that up a rope? What's that?
You're not bad. No man, that one is not bad. This one nobody no came because you have a lot of fluff. That one.
Come, I'm lock up.
I like them a lock up.
Yeah, good come. I want to clap now.
I want to clock, guys. So we had Christmas and come on. We had Merry Christmas.
Yeah, look at nobody.
Lord of mercy. Yeah, look at it, we come. Merry Christmas, guys. Merry Christmas. I did not even realize that the time actually passed. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. When it comes. So, I think that will be it for the night. We do anything else? Okay, I'm gone. We do anything else? We do anything else? No, probably can't go and eat something. I had a burger at my friend's place, but would I eat something more honest to God? Merry Christmas, guys, from the Gordonz. Oh Lord, wrong light. Okay, Merry Christmas. Alright guys, so on to the next adventure.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!